Hi everyone, Jim from The Ordinary 2 wanted to show you our cheap and easy built-in cooking stove for our van. We made this using a cheap camp stove, an IKEA utensil holder, and some foam tape and hardware we had lying around the house. We wanted something built in that was permanent so we could wake up in the morning and light it up and make our coffee. So this was really easy. We just obviously don't use the stand for the stove, and instead we lined the utensil holder with some foam tape so we could just wedge the bottle in there. And then we just attached the utensil holder to our galley using some L brackets and washers and nuts and bolts. It's really easy. And if we want to use it outside, we can just pop it out and use the stand. If you want to make a stove like this yourself, please support us by purchasing the parts through the links below. Also, please like and subscribe. Check out our music on Spotify and Apple Music and iTunes. Thanks.